Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I have another review for you guys. We're going to test out the ABH tinted brow gel. It's this product here. Yeah, so I bought the duo, the power duo, because I didn't have any more of my brow wiz, and you guys know I always use that for my brows. This is like the only product I use for my brows, except sometimes I use my Maybelline, but it's pretty rare. So we're gonna test out this product here, the brow tinted gel from Anastasia. Just so you know, this is a travel size that comes in a duo. It's not the full size of the product. So if you guys, I think it's like this big for the the normal size. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna test out today. I'm just gonna give you my first impression. Really like to see how I like it, if I don't like it. And that's gonna be all. And also, I never tried a brow gel on my brows because I don't know, I'm just always scared. I'm not scared to use something like that. I just never went for a brow gel. Like for me, like just my brow wiz, and that's all. Like it was fine for me. So I just wanted to try it. Also, this one is tinted, so it might make my brows a little bit darker, which I don't mind really. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do today, and we're just gonna see how it goes, and that's what we're gonna do today. So as you guys can see, I already have my foundation on. Yeah, my foundation is already on. Just so you guys know, this is limited edition, so I don't know if it's still available. And I'm in the color Ebony because that's what my brow gel, my brow wiz is. So I'm just gonna do my brows. It's also gonna be like kind of a updated brow routine. You guys know I haven't done one in so long, and in my videos I don't really show how I do my brows because I always do them the same way. There's no like, I don't really change the way I do my brows because I like the way it is. So this is how it looks. So it comes with a spoolie and it has like color on it, and also it's supposed to be like a bit of a gel, so it's supposed to keep your brows in place. So I'm going to test out today. So first I'm gonna go with my brow wiz. So I'm just gonna brush my brows up. That's how I do my brows, by the way. So if you guys want to see, my brows are not done, but it's the way it is. So what I usually do, so I just trace under here and follow my shape. Or you can always like redo your shape also if you want to. If you want it more arced, just go a little bit higher here and go down. Me, I pretty much like my shape already, so I'm not gonna change much. And don't worry if it's not perfect, because you guys know that I always clean them up with concealer after. I can do after. I don't always do that, but when I want a sharp brow, I put my hair down like this, spoolie, and I just brush. I just shape the top part. For the top part, I don't really go like really harsh because I like my brows to be like really natural. So for me, it's more like a guideline, like that. And then I'm just gonna brush them up again. So I'm gonna fill it in with the wiz, like really fast. So I just do like small strokes like that. Just fill in like wherever I feel like it's sparse. So this is my brows for now. So I go back with a spoolie just to make sure like there's no harsh lines. Even sometimes like I use another one because this one is like, it's not that it's not hard enough, but I broke it before, so I'm just gonna use my regular brush to make sure everything is well done. Okay. I don't really know if I'm supposed to use the brow, the tinted brow before or after, but this is how I'm using it. This is how I want to use it, so this is how I'm gonna do it. So now I'm just gonna clean my brows with some concealer. I'm just gonna use my Fit Me. Actually, I wait just a little bit, just like so it gets a little bit tacky, I guess. That has a better coverage. I'm just using like a big shadow brush, anything that's like small enough to blend. I'm just gonna go back with my foundation brush to make sure there's no like harsh lines or anything like that. So now I'm just gonna brush them up again. So now I'm gonna use the new product that I wanted to test out. Yeah, so it's in the color Ebony. It's supposed to like hold your brows, like tint them a little bit also. So we're just gonna see what it does really, because there's not a lot of like explanation. So let's see how it does. If it was even worth it for me to get it, because like usually this is how I leave my brows and I just go about my day. I'm using a really light hand. Oh, okay. You guys see the difference? I can't understand what it's doing. You guys see? I hope you guys can see that. You guys see the difference? Okay, you guys can see this. This is the one with the gel, and this is the one without. Oh wow, okay, I like it. Okay. Like my brow shape is a bit weird here because I didn't do my brows, honestly. I'm just trying to work with what I have, but I don't know if you guys can see what it's doing. It's like adding texture, so my brow hairs are more like texturized, so it looks more like hairs. But I know it's hair, but you know, it looks like more full. And also like it tinted them, like they're a bit darker. That's the tint in it. And this one is supposed to be dry, and it's not crusty or anything, even if there's gel. And look, there's nothing. And I can assure you it's gonna stay in place. It's this one here. There's a bit of foundation, but there's no like of the gel. I don't usually do my brows like that, but I'm liking it. Meaning like usually they're not that dark and fluffy. I feel like they're fluffy. If you like a fluffy brow and like texturized and how we feel like you have more hair, you should get it. It's really nice. Ooh, okay. I really like it. I didn't think I would like see a difference, but I can definitely see a difference of what it does. And also the color is red. I was afraid it might be too dark because Ebony is like off black, but they say like sometimes I find like this one, if I press a little bit too hard, it can show like really dark, but it looks really good. Oh, you guys can see this? This is the texture. Especially here, you guys can see it more here. Alright, so I'm just gonna go do the rest of my makeup and I'll be back with my final thoughts. Okay guys, so I'm back. I did my makeup. It's really natural, of course, because this is not the purpose of the video. It's really about my brows today. So for my brows, I mean, I really like my brows today. I really like the product. I really like the brow tinted gel by Anastasia. Again, I'm in the color Ebony. I really like it. Like it really texturized my brows. It looked more, I don't say natural, but it looks like really, yeah, I would say natural. It looks natural. It looks like I have more hair. It looks really texturized. It's not moving, and also it's not crusty even if it's a gel. But Anastasia had never been like, from what I heard, like even her regular gel is really nice. So I wasn't really afraid about that. Like I didn't care. For my first time using a brow gel, it was really easy to use. The only thing I will say is like I use a really light hand, and you see how dark it went even with a light hand, but I'm not mad at it. I like the color of it right now. Just like I would say build it up instead of like try to build it up a little bit before going like straight, like really harsh on your brows. I like you can like measure how dark you want your brows to be. That's the only thing I'm gonna say about this product. Otherwise it was really easy to use. I never used a brow gel before and it was so easy to use. I mean, I can't say anything bad about it, honestly. And do I like it or not? Yes. Will I buy it again? I feel like it's the kind of product like the more I use it, the more I will love it. Right now I really like it. I can't really like say bad things about it, but I can already see like the more I'm gonna use it, the more I'm just gonna love it. And then after, if I go back to only my brow pencil, my brow wiz, I'm gonna be like, something's missing. So am I gonna buy it again? Probably I'll buy it again. For sure I'll buy it again. I already know. Other than that, I just want to know about down below, like in the comments, you guys. I want to talk to you guys and see what are your favorite brow products. It can be like high-end from Sephora, it can be like from the drugstore. I don't mind. It's just like I feel like I'm always using my brow wiz by Anastasia, and I just want to see what else is out there. I use my Maybelline, the brow definer also. I like it, just sometimes I feel like it's a bit too creamy, so it kind of bleeds a little bit. But I just want to know what are your favorite brow products. You can be just a gel if you guys use just gels, or if you guys use pomade. I never use pomade, so I want to see like what are your preferences when it comes to like brow products. It could be anything but brow products. Yeah, that's about it for today. This is really it. Yeah, so thank you to everyone who likes, comment, and subscribe. Of course, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for being here. So I'll see you next time in my next video, guys. Bye.